Hey friends, today I want to talk to you about my curtain rods. I love them so much. I have these rods on every window in my house. Every window. Let me see. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Okay, so here we are. This is the one in the living room. Now you'll see that the ends are, I opted to get a separate end rather than the black end. But some of my windows have the black ends, the black ball ends. And if you opt to go with the bigger size, it comes with the divider in the center, which I love because you need the support to keep it from sagging. But it has been wonderful. I love it, love it, love it. You'll see it over there on that window as well. So great, so great. And you will also see it over here on that window. It's beautiful. And on that window, I'm telling y'all, they're everywhere. They're beautiful. I have them in silver in another room. They absolutely have not disappointed once. One of my daughters has even gotten them. They have been amazing. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. They're so great. I also have them in the office and in both of the guest rooms, in the master and in my master bath. Click buy. You're going to love them.